So in this session, we will look into mapObject. The payload which I have taken here has a few key value pairs, and value is mostly a string or a number, and one of the case it has a array. So payload space mapObject. So it is taking three parameters. One is value, which is this one, then the key and the index, right? So this is the value, this is the key, and we have an index. So let me create an object for each object in this. So I'm going to write the index. First, we will check the index. So let's say index colon. I will simply say index, right? So in this case, we have 10 key value pairs. So starting from index 0 to 9. Okay. So moving on. So let's see how we can use the key value in this. First, I will give the key colon value, right? So it is giving the key as well as the value. Like first key is the card piece and the value is order complete, whatever it is. So it is giving here. So if you want to do some transformation, say I just want the first element, I'll put 0. Like if it is string, it will pick up the first letter. If it is a number, it will pick the first digit. And here it is a array. So it is taking the first object, right? That is what is happening. So I am removing that for now. Then let me put some separation just for understanding purpose. Okay. So if you see here in the output, we can see this is the first key value pair with index 0, and this is the key for the first one, and this is the value. If you want to do any operation, we can write it here. Like if you want to do some operation for the string or any kind of operation, we have to do it here. Okay, that's it.